Your phones and tablets, smart TVs and streaming devices, desktop and laptop computers, game consoles, and many other devices all depend on a fast, reliable internet connection. Wi-Fi is great, but some rooms may not get a great signal, or might not get any signal at all. For streaming TV and movies, online gaming, or home office computers, you could use a wired internet connection, but then you'd have to run cabling all throughout your home. Now you don't have to. Thanks to Medialink Powerline adapters, you can extend your internet connection to any room in your home, even if it's far away. Just plug in one adapter into any outlet and connect it to your router with the included Ethernet cable. Then plug in the second adapter into any other outlet to create a fast, reliable wired connection to your device. Powerline adapters use your existing electrical wiring to carry the internet signal to any other outlet in your home. Do you have more than one room or device that could benefit from Powerline adapters? Once you've added the first adapter to your router, you can add up to 6 more adapters to your network. Is one router not giving enough Wi-Fi signal to cover all of your mobile devices? With Powerline adapters, you can put another Wi-Fi router in any other room for extra Wi-Fi coverage. Or if your internet provider installed your modem in a bad spot, like the basement, you can also use Powerline adapters to centralize your Wi-Fi router to a better spot in your home for optimal coverage. Say goodbye to Wi-Fi problems and long Ethernet cables with Medialink Powerline adapters. For more information about Medialink Powerline adapters by Mediabridge, check out our YouTube channel or visit us at MediabridgeProducts.com.